I am behind on my garlic. A lot of people put their garlic into the ground actually before Christmas. I tend to do it in the first week of January to no ill effect. But we're almost at the end of January now, so I need to break up the garlic cloves that I ordered in and get these little cloves into the ground so that they can start to root into the soil, and then when the warm weather appears, really take off. You might remember last year I had a grand idea of keeping guinea pigs on the pathways in the garden, and 2 escaped. Now, much as I have tried to catch these 2 boys, I have not been able to, but nor have any predators. I am absolutely gobsmacked, but they are still going strong. I did think about putting down a little house to overwinter them in to see if they would went inside, but then I was concerned that if they went in a one-way entrance like a hedgehog house and then a stoat or something went in, they wouldn't be able to get away. So I have kind of left them to it, put a little bit of food and water out if they need it, but they are thriving. Almost 50 piglets were born on the farm last year, which is completely staggering. all of them have now moved on apart from these two. These two boys I'm going to be keeping here and raising up, and I keep large blacks and their ears are supposed to flop, but this chap, his ears never did flop and they look like bat ears. So he's called Bruce and his mate is called Wayne. And at the moment I am digging out all of their compacted, turned over bedding and straw nesting, and then taking that across to put on the garden. Because last year the weeds really got a hold and I just could not face weeding it out. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to trim everything flat and no dig the entire area all over again. And now I had all those pigs, and I've also got the chickens and the sheep and the goats. I have got enough manure to cover the entire patch and start afresh. There's a little bit of clearing to do in the polytunnel. The polytunnel in the winter still gets quite humid and that creates mould. So the peppers that I didn't dig out and relocate before winter have gone, so I need to pull those out. And also I've been growing some salad bowl lettuce, and it does survive the winter to some extent, but as you can see, it gets, the odd ones get mouldy and you have to pull them out. There's some good stuff growing in the polytunnel though. We've got this little row of rocket, which I'll be harvesting just before Valentine's Day for a market. We've also got 3 different varieties of lettuces that I sowed in November, end of October, November, and they're just sat in here waiting for the warm weather, but they're doing well. And then today I sowed broad beans. I can't do broad beans direct sown at this time of year in the garden because they will get eaten by pests. So I plant them in the polytunnel, put them out of reach, and then transplant out the young seedlings. And there are also a few kale seedlings from last year. They look a bit worse for wear, but once they're potted on and transplanted later this season, they'll be totally fine. We are still in January, so there is no rush. And me personally, I just like a couple of little things ticking over just to make me feel like the season is coming. But it's mild today, but actually we're headed for more snow in a few days to a week. So I'm holding off the sowing. I'm sitting on these hands and not allowing myself to sow anything, and just keeping what I have in the ground happy, healthy, and ready to go when the season starts.